I am here at the Hotpack retail store where they have the versatile collection of aluminium foils. Household, micro-embossed, multiple foil collections. But today's star is the pop-up foil sheets. Let me show you how it works. This is our aluminium foil pop-up sheets. They're the best option that offers versatility. Featuring the pop-up design for effortless dispensing with exceptional heat insulation and moisture resistant. They keep your food fresh and warm for longer period. Thanks to the high thermal conductivity of aluminium, our pop-up sheets ensure even heat distribution. Whether you're wrapping or covering dishes or grilling, these durable sheets provide reliable barrier while ensuring easy cleanup. These sheets are also known for strength and durability, which also they are tear resistant, which can withstand high temperature, making them suitable for various cooking and baking needs. The pop-up design of these sheets allow for easy and hassle-free dispensing. Each sheets pop up individually, ensuring quick and effortless access without the need of tearing or cutting. They are also available in different sizes and quantities. This is an eco-friendly solution with versatile application. Restaurants, cafes, kitchens, food trucks, catering, food services, and many more. Take a hold of this box from any platform of Hotpack. I'm sure you will be back again for another one. So spread the word with your connections and customers, and do visit Hotpack.